Gotcha. These raccoon kits are taking their first steps towards independence. Just 3 months old, they're still under Mum's watchful eye. For now. Right now, they're looking for food, like insects, frogs and snails. When they don't immediately find what they want, they keep looking. A creek can be a challenging hunting ground. Ripples and the sun's glare make it hard to see under the surface. But when wet, a raccoon's paws become even more sensitive. Just like a cat's whiskers, fine hairs on their fingers sense the tiniest vibrations.